Dear students, here we are going to start the chapter Charts in MS Excel. In this chapter, you are going to learn how to create chart components, insert picture and some other features. This is the first part of this chapter.
Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Charts make it easier to draw comparison and analyze the growth, relationship, and trends among the values in a range. Charts provide more accurate analysis of information. When you insert a chart, the data is displayed in a special window called Data Sheet. Chart is updated automatically with the change in data. Before we move forward, can you tell which version of Excel are you using? Let us first discuss the different components of a chart. The various components of a chart are as shown in the figure. Number 1. This is the chart area. This area includes all the area objects in a chart. Number 2. The category axis or x-axis is the horizontal axis of a chart. Number 3. Value axis or y-axis is the vertical axis used to plot the values. Number 4. The data series are the bars, slices, or other elements that represent the data values. Number 5. The category names are the labels which are displayed on the X and Y axis. Number 6. The plot area is a window within a chart area. It contains the actual chart and includes the plotted data series, category, and value axis as well. Number 7. Legend depicts the colors, patterns, or symbols assigned to a data series. Let us quickly discuss category axis versus value axis. Okay, so let us learn how to create a chart. It is quite simple to create a chart in Excel. Follow these steps to create a chart. Create a new worksheet with the data as shown in the figure. Select the range A2, B7 to be displayed in the chart. Click on the Insert tab and go to Charts group. Click on any chart type, say column, and select the chart subtype from the display choices. The chart appears on your worksheet. A new category named as Chart Tools appears on the title bar. Select the desired layout from the Chart Layouts group on the Design tab and observe the change. Go to Chart Styles group and click on the desired style. Observe the change. All the titles, data labels, legend details mentioned in the selected data range will be displayed in the chart. If the selected range has no details about titles, labels, etc., we can insert these in chart by going to Layout tab and clicking on the desired button. To change the data range of your chart, click right on it and click on Select Data from the shortcut menu. The Select Data Source dialog box appears. Click on OK after making the desired changes. Students, note that we can instantly create a chart by selecting the data to be presented in the chart and pressing F11 key. Let me explain you the commonly used chart types. Different types of charts are available in Excel. Some of the most commonly used charts are: a column chart is a commonly used chart type to display data in the form of vertical bars. It is used to show changes in data over a period of time or comparisons among different data items. In a column chart, categories are organized along the horizontal axis and values along the vertical axis. Bar chart displays data in the form of long rectangular rods, also called bars, that are placed vertically or horizontally on the chart area. A bar chart illustrates comparisons among individual items. In this type of chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal axis. Line chart is in the form of lines. It is very similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper with its values on the x and y axis. A line chart uses connecting dots to display trends in data over a period of time. Pie chart displays data in the form of a circle that makes up a data series to the sum of items. It always shows only one data series and is useful when you want to emphasize on a significant element. Students, we can also change the chart type by selecting Design tab. Then go to Change Chart Type and choosing the chart from Change Chart Type dialog box. Or right-click on the chart and click on Change Chart Type option in Shortcut menu. Okay students, let us learn how to format a chart. Formatting improves the appearance of a chart. We can format a chart by adding title, changing text, font, line color, width, border style, legends, data series, etc. We can also change the numbers on value axis, hide or show grid lines, etc. Let me tell you how to change backgrounds, colors and patterns. We can modify a chart by changing its color, pattern and background. Right-click on the plot area and select Format Plot Area option. The Format Plot Area dialog box appears. Select a suitable border style, border color, shadow, etc. according to your choice. Click on Fill tab and select the Solid Fill option. Click on the Color button and select the desired color from the drop-down menu. Click on Close button and observe the change. Students, note that we can format the chart title by right-clicking on it and selecting Format Chart Title option. Select Fill tab and choose the required option in it. Okay, let us now learn how to format the legend. Legend is a box that identifies the patterns or colors assigned to a data series in a chart. It helps in reading the chart accurately. Legends mostly appear on the right of the chart. You can place them anywhere as per your choice. We can format text, background, boundary and color of a legend. Right-click on the legend boundary and select Format Legend option. The Format Legend dialog box will open. Click on the Border Styles tab. Click on the Dash Type drop-down list and select any style. Click on the Width drop-down list in Border Style tab and select the thickness as per your choice. Click on the Border Color tab and select Solid Line option. Choose the desired color. To position the legend on the chart, click on the Legend Options tab in the Format Legend dialog box. Press the bottom radio button. Click on Close. The legend will be placed at the bottom of the chart. Students, let me share an important fact. A chart is saved automatically when you save a workbook or a worksheet. You don't need to save a chart separately. To print a chart, follow the given steps. Select the chart sheet. Click on Office button, then go to Print. The Print dialog box appears. Click on the selected chart option button. Click on OK. Let us learn how to change the scale of value axis. An axis is the side of a chart that contains the values according to which a chart is plotted. When a bar chart or a column chart is created, it has an x-axis and a y-axis. We can, however, customize the scale to meet our needs and requirements. Follow these steps. Point the mouse at y-axis. Right-click on it and select Format Axis option from the shortcut menu. The Format Axis dialog box will open. Select the axis options. Click on Fixed option for minimum and enter 20 in the text box. Similarly, enter 200 in the maximum text box. Click on the Close button. The chart will display the values between 20 and 200. Students, note these related tips. Similarly, we can change the scale for x-axis. To insert a data label, right-click on Data Series and choose Add Data Labels from the shortcut menu.